Good evening, students. So in this video we are going to see a problem. So it is a continuation of our previous video from current electricity lesson for the JEE advanced problems. So here we have a problem with 14 identical resistors which are connected in such a manner between the points A and B. So how to solve the problem in the previous case? So we have used the idea. So if you have equal potential, those 2 points are connected in parallel. So according to the same idea, apart from that, we are going to use certain new blocks of ideas here. The first thing is, this is A, this is B, we know that. So draw an imaginary line across A and B and a perpendicular line which bisects this AB. So it is bisecting equally the points. So this line and this line equally bisects this AB. Okay, so these 2 points, these 2 points, these 2 points, all are having same potential. So that idea we are going to inculcate in this problem. In the previous problem we have slightly taken a concept called potential, equal potential. That equal potential means we can connect the resistors in parallel, both are having same potential. Now that idea will be joined with this type of idea. So they are having same potential, but they are same points between these two, that is two connecting imaginary lines. So the same idea I can do it. I can draw this point as 1 and this is 2, this point as 3, 4, 5 and this is 6, then connecting to B. So here the current will be equally divided. We know that these 2 points are having same potential. See the loop from 1 and 2. So 1, 3, 5 to B. Similarly 2, 4, 6 B. 1 to 5 to B. Similarly 2, 6 B. All the paths are same. So symmetry is involved. With the help of the symmetry, I can say through 1 and 2, that is resistor A to 1, A to 2, current will be equally divided. So 1 and 2 are having same potential. Similarly 5 and 6 also having same potential. While ending, that is 2 currents are meeting at B. So this resistor doesn't carry any current. So the current through this resistor is 0 because same potential. If there is same potential, current will not flow through those resistors which are connected across same potential point that we have seen in Wheatstone's network. Okay, so then it is moving towards 3, 4, 3 and 4 having same potential. So V3 equal to V4 I can write. So they are connected in parallel. Similarly 1 is connected to 5, 2 is connected to 5. They can connected in parallel from 2. Both are in parallel. Similarly 1 is connected to 6, 2 is 6. Finally connecting 4 to 6. Then here 3 to 5. Then 5 to B. Now connect, we can start this. So we are having A and right here this is A and this is connected to 1 and connected to 2. So from 1 and 2, okay, we are further 1 to 3. We can connect that to 3 and 2 we can connect it to 4. Okay, then 4 is connected. You see here it is connected to 6. How we can connect this? So I will draw 1 and 2 here. Again 1 and 2 we have 3 divisions. 4 actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. This resistor doesn't carry any current. So only 3 divisions we can consider. 1 division we have drawn. So other 2 divisions towards 5, towards 6. So I can draw 1 is towards 5. 2 also towards 5. Okay, this is towards 5. Similarly 1 towards 6. So this is towards 0.6. Okay, so 1 towards 5, 1 towards 6. Both are connected. 2 towards 5, 2 towards 6. It is over. Then 5 is connected to B, 6 is connected to B. So 5 and 6. So both are connected to B. So they are connected to B. Similarly this 5 is connected through a resistor to B. Again the same 5. You see here between 5 and 6 the resistor. So current no flows. It doesn't flows through this, so no current. And 1 is connected to 5 that we have drawn. 3 to 5, 4 to 6. Okay, 3 is connected to 5, 4 is connected to 6. That we want to draw. Okay, this is the final form of this. So if I redraw this, to solve. The answer is actually 1.2 R, which is given in our book. So we want to get that answer 1.2 R across AB. So this is R by 2. This resistor is R by 2, which is 1, 2. And this is R by 2, just moving towards 6. This is R by 2, moving towards 5. And this is R. This is R by 2. R by 2, which is moving towards 3, 4. Okay. Okay. R by 2, this is R, this is R. R, R. And this is connected to B. Both are R. We know that from 5 to B, 6 to B, equal current will be joined towards B. So 5 and 6 are having same potential. V5 will be equal to V6. So I can simplify this as R by 2. Then from here it is connected to 5, connected to 6, 5, 6. Okay, connected to 5, connected to 6, both are having same potential. And we have another R by 2 from this 1, 2. This 1, 2 is connected to R by 2. That R by 2 is connected to 5 and 6. Same potential from 3, 4. This is 3, 4. It is connected. So this is R, this is R. We know that. Yes, this is R, this is R. They are connected to 5 and 6. So they are parallel, so we can simplify that as R by 2. Connected to 5, 6. So 5, 6 to B. So both are parallel, same potential. So this is R by 2 finally to B. Okay, so finally the answer will be R by 2. So this is 5, 6, R by 2, R by 2. This become R by 4. Okay, so R by 2, R by 2. This also becomes R by 4. Yes, I am right. That is also, sorry, R by 2, R by 2. It is in series. So this is R. This mistake we have done. So this is R by 2. So this is parallel. So this is R by 2, this is R by 2. So parallel R by 4, this is in series, so it is R. So finally I am adding all those things. R by 2 plus R by 4. 1 by R plus 4 by R. So we are getting 5 by R. So R by 5. R by 5 plus R by 2. So finally the answer will be, so LCM should be taken. So finally what answer we are getting? 5, 10, 12. 12 R by 10. Okay, 12 R by 10 means 1.2 R. So this is the resistance across AB. So we got the final answer as exact answer 12 R by 10, which is 1 decimal. 1 by 10 means 0.1. So which is 1.2 R. So final answer is right. So we will see different problems the next session based on this current electricity. So I'll give some more work for you also the next session. Thank you.